Alright, good afternoon everybody. This is Comida Moremia and right now I'm at Oasis. It's in Lake Travis, Texas, and I'm here for a birthday. And we had today the steak tan pequeña. I have my steak medium well with some quesadilla, some rice and grilled vegetables. So this is the steak tan pequeña with some steak well done for me, actually medium well, with some quesadilla, rice and some grilled vegetables. Bon appetit!